Now, in case if you have not understood the logic, now I will use breakpoint technique to analyze the code more. In case if you have understood this assignment, if you understood this solution, you can proceed to next session. Now, let us see how this search functionality and edit functionality will work. Already add functionality, it's pretty much easy. I don't have to explain more. So I will put a breakpoint in button 3, searching functionality, and button 2, editing functionality. I will also put a click listener on list view on item click listener, because before editing a city, user will know that first I have to select that city which I want to edit. For example, if I want to edit Noida to Greater Noida, first user will click this Noida. That Noida will come to edit text. Then user will modify Noida to Greater Noida and then he will click edit. That Greater Noida will come to Noida's position. So, in order to understand editing functionality, I should put a breakpoint in button 2 click listener as well as list view click listener. So first let me analyze button 3 click listener for searching functionality. I will put a breakpoint in button 2 and I will put a breakpoint in button 3 and list view on item click listener, 3 places. Now let me debug the application by clicking this insect symbol. Don't close this debugger window. First let me add some cities: Noida, Washington and Sydney. Now I want to search whether Washington is available or not. First user will enter Washington here in the edit text box, then click search button. Now whatever user has entered in the edit text box, first we are reading into string item. Let me press F8 to go to next step. User has entered Washington. Now we are searching for that item which is Washington by using a method index of in array list. Search in array list. Array list has Washington at location first. So when you say array list dot index of Washington, that is item, position will contain 1. Currently position is 0. Let me run by pressing F8. Now position is -1 because I have made a spelling mistake. I have entered Washington, not Washington. So if position is -1, that means entered city is not available. Let me press F8 and I will run by pressing F9. It will display a toast message. City is invalid. Let me enter correctly. Washington. It is case sensitive. If it is capital letters, you should enter in capital letter. Search. Press F8. Now it is correct. Washington. F8. Position is 1. Now we are checking, is position equal to -1? No, position is 1. It will enter into else condition. It will print Washington is at location position plus 1. F8. Position is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Because for user don't know that Noida is at, as per user's perspective, Noida is at first location. But as per programmer's perspective, Noida is at 0th location. So when programmer is printing the position of an element, programmer should add +1, because as per programmer, position will start from 0th location. But as per user, position will start at first location. Now let me run the application by pressing F9. Position is at 2. I hope you understood. Now let us see how edit functionality will work. Let us say I want to edit Washington to Washington DC. First user will click this. When user clicks, it will pass source position, that is position of Washington in array list. That is first position. Observe, in array list, Washington is at first location. Now first we will go to array list, get that element, so that first we have to display that element on the edit text. Now let me press F8. Now I am taking this S position value backup in a variable POS. Can you guess why? Because at later point of time, Washington will come to edit text box. Let us say user will change to Washington DC and user will click edit button. that Washington DC should come to same position. So for that you need that position number. You may get one doubt here. Can I use same S position in edit button click listener? No. This S position is local variable for this method. Once you go out of this method, that variable will be dead. So we should take this position a backup in one more variable. That's why I have declared one extra variable at the starting of activity. Currently position is 1, but now it will become 1. Observe. Now let me run the application completely by pressing F9. With this, Washington would have come on the edit text. Now let me modify to Washington DC and I will click edit button. Now remember what is the position? We have saved that position as 1 because user is modifying 0, 1 first element. So now in button 2 click listener, whatever the latest value user has entered, first we are reading it from edit text. et1.getText.toString. Let me go to next step. User has entered Washington DC. That we are applying onto position POS. That is 1. So what does this set method will do? Set method will go to first location. First location is Washington. When you apply set method, it will remove existing element and it will insert the newly supplied element. The newly supplied element is Washington DC. Now let me run by pressing F8. Now array list would have been modified. Observe second element. It is modified to Washington DC. Now you have to tell to adapter. Adapter will reflect this in list view. I hope you understood. Now I will press F9 and observe the output. It is reflected. I hope you understood.